Hello friends, how are you and how's your gardening going on? Welcome to Grooming Garden. This is Shalini. In today's video, I will be telling about some flowering plants which can be grown in rainy season. In this video, we'll be discussing some plants that you can buy or grow from seeds before this monsoon starts. With these plants, your garden will have a stunning look. So let's start the video. Monsoon cassia. This plant is very common in rainy season. It produces beautiful flowers in monsoon. Commonly the flowers are of yellow shade. It works best for filling the left out patches in your garden. As you have seen, in some garden full of flowers with no gap or patches left out. This plant fills the left out gap in your garden. So it's a great option for you. Well, if you are thinking of having it in your garden, I will tell you a caring tip beforehand. During its growth phase, it requires 6 to 7 hours of sunlight and an airy location. Hibiscus. Most of you might have already seen this flower or even have one. It blooms very beautifully in the rainy season. The flowers are of trumpet shape and different shades, commonly red, pink, orange, peach, white and yellow. And in hybrids you can get different shades like chocolate and purple, which I am also having. It attracts butterflies and bees. It's very hardy plant and easy to grow and pleasant to watch flowers. Celosia. Celosia is similar to coxcomb in appearance and belongs to Amaranthus family. It is very good ornamental plant and different from other flowering plant you might have seen. Some people also like to eat leaves when the plant is small. It comes in radiant shades like red, orange, yellow and mustard. Balsam. Balsam is easily available in local nurseries and also known as rose balsam. It can survive in full sun as well as in partial shade. Flowers are of its double petal and also single petal with vibrant shades, commonly red, pink, purple, white, even blue. Its flower resemble to mini rose or camellia. You can easily grow it with seeds. Growing this in your garden will be a great look. Plumeria. This is native to tropical. Flowers are it's mostly white in shade. Rather than that, you can also have pink, red and might be in yellow. It has a great fragrance and needs at least 6 hours of sunlight for growth. Last but not the least, vinca. It is also known as periwinkle. This is rot tolerant plant and can survive 3 to 4 days without water. But overwatering will damage its root. Flower comes in different shades like purple, red, magenta, white and blue. You can use vinca as garden beds, garden borders and they look magnificent in hanging baskets. So these are some flowering plants that you can grow within 10 to 15 days so that your garden look pretty in this monsoon. Hope you all like my video. Thank you.